Do you know, Chandragupta Maurya, founder of the Maurya Empire, was a ruler whose name is etched in the history for his remarkable achievements and military conquests, who established one of India's greatest empires, gave his power and lead to a path of spiritual transformation. As Chandragupta's reign progressed, the weight of his conquests and the moral implications of his rule began to trouble him deeply. Despite his vast empire and material success, he felt a growing dissonance between his life of power and the values of non-violence and self-restraint. His quest for inner peace and spiritual truth led him to Jain monk. The teachings of Jainism resonated deeply with him, especially the doctrines espoused by Bhadrabahu, a revered Jain monk known for his profound wisdom and ascetic lifestyle. Impelled by a sense of remorse for his past actions and a desire for spiritual purification, Chandragupta made a life-altering decision. He abdicated his throne, relinquishing his royal duties and the luxuries of his former life to embrace Jainism fully. Following his conversion, Chandragupta sought refuge in the southern part of India. He settled in a region known as Swarnabelagola, located in present-day Karnataka. Swarnabelagola was a significant center for Jainism, known for its serene and contemplative environment, which was ideal for a life of ascetic practice. At Swarnabelagola, Chandragupta immersed himself in Jain ascetic practices. Chandragupta's transformation from a powerful emperor to a devout Jain ascetic exemplified the profound impact of spiritual awakening. Chandragupta Maurya is said to have died on the hill of Chandragiri, which is located in Shravanabelagola, in 298 BCE after he became a Jain monk and assumed an ascetic lifestyle.